So how things have changed. From 2013, Murray Irrigation have completed a $206 million modernisation project called the Private Irrigation Infrastructure Operators Program, also known as PIOP. In a nutshell, this has transformed what was predominantly a manually operated system into a state-of-the-art automated system. With the aid of our large radio communication system, we can now automate approximately 5,000 individual assets of remotely controlled infrastructure. So now let's discuss these components in a little more detail. Regulators and outlets. How do they talk? So there are several different types of remotely controlled sites in the field. Each channel starts with an offtake, which measures the correct flow of water into the channel. So along the channel we have many regulators, and these regulators create channel pull sections that help to maintain water levels in the channel. At the bottom of some channels we have an escape, which is basically the same as a regulator, except that it monitors the water that is coming out of the bottom of the channel. Now with automation of the system, we have very little water escaping from the irrigation system. Customer water is delivered through outlets onto the farm, the majority of these being flume gates and slip meters, but more on those later. All of these automated structures have similar components insofar as how they work. They have water level sensors which measure the height of the water, gate sensors which measure the position of the gate, and electric motors that control the movement of the gate. They currently use all new technology which does the computing work for us and communicates to a radio tower where the outlet is near and sends the signals back to the office and into our databases. As you heard earlier, the Dethridge wheel was the most common irrigation infrastructure used to deliver water to customers. These days we have several types of customer outlets, including slip meters, flume gates and pipe meters, which all measure water in several ways using different technology. New infrastructure installed as part of the PIOP rollout has allowed Murray Irrigation to offer outlets that deliver three types of service: high level of service, standard level of service and manually operated outlets. High level of service outlets operate under what we call the Total Channel Control, or TCC. The main benefits of the technology being that customers have the ability to start and finish their outlets up to 4 times per day, subject to channel constraints. Standard level of service outlets operate under what we call Central Remote Control, or Auto CRC. Customers with this level of service have the ability to start or finish or change their water order twice during a 24-hour period, again subject to channel constraints. Manually operated outlets upgraded as part of the PIOP program are known as manual outlets and require a staff member to go to the site to operate the outlet. Due to this, the landholder can only change their order once a day. So the level of service that a landholder has is based on geographic location and historic water use.